Did your SQL Server installation just fail on Windows 11? You see a strange message about generic database engine startup failures. Don't worry, your hard drive is not broken. This happened because your new SSD is actually too modern for SQL Server. In this video, I will show you why this happens and give you a simple fix that takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Why does SQL Server crash? Think of database files like small boxes. SQL Server only likes to save data in 4 KB boxes. Older versions of Windows always pretended that every drive used 4 KB boxes, but Windows 11 is different. It now tells software the truth. Hey, this fast SSD uses huge 16 KB or 64 KB. When SQL Server hears this, it panics. It stops the setup because it is afraid of losing your data. These are all the possible common SQL Server installation errors. Before we fix it, let's clean up old attempts. Open settings, go to apps, navigate to installed apps, type Microsoft SQL Server. You may need to uninstall all relevant to Microsoft SQL Server. After uninstalling, open start menu, right click on the command prompt, click run as administrator. You press yes. You may please copy the command from the description below and paste it. Press enter. Look at the numbers on screen. If you see 4096, your driver is fine. But if you see 16384 or 65536, SQL Server will fail every time. Let's fix that. We are going to add a rule to Windows. This rule tells Windows to act like a translator and tell SQL Server, don't worry, we are using 4 KB boxes. Copy the command from the description below. I paste in the same command prompt. Press enter. Once it says completed successfully, you must restart your computer. This fix will not work until you reboot. After your computer turns back on, open command prompt as administrator again and run the same check. I copy the command from the description below and paste it. Press enter. See that the big number is now 4096. Now right click your SQL Server installer and run it as administrator. It will install with no errors. Will this slow down my PC? The short answer is no, not at all. Windows works a tiny bit extra in the background to translate the sizes, but your SSD is so fast, you will never feel it. Your computer, your game, and your apps will run at full speed. If this video helped you fix your setup, please click the like button. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will try to help. Thanks for watching.